12.7. No, just packing up some stuff.
I'm cooking my dinner.
What are you having? Cooking your own dinner. First time cooking? How's that? Cooking your own dinner tonight? Jump off the fridge today? Pick that up out of the river when you go over?
What was that? 58. How can it be 58? No, this fridge drove me crazy, man. It just went to plus 58.
Plus 58?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's actually doing?
Well, whenever it loses 12 volt, it shits itself. It either goes minus 22, and sometimes it goes plus. I've never seen it go plus 58 before. Remember what happened last year?
No, froze everything?
Yeah.
There's no substitute for an angle, man. I've actually got, I should put it in my fridge. Dad had it and I ended up with it, but it's like a remote thermometer. So you put it in your fridge, then you got a little display that's remote to it, so you don't have to have it in your fridge and see what temperature it actually is.
Yeah, I think the new ones of these do that as well. So that's fine and happy now. Alright. And I'll pull the, I'm just recording it as well, pull the power out. So now we've just lost power. And it's hit and miss whether or not it's actually going to survive. It's just a pain in the ass. We woke up the frozen food the other morning.
Yeah, you can't have that.
Milk, everything. Orange juice, rock solid. Went to bed and it was fine. Woke up minus 22. Nothing was unplugged.
Oh, yeah.
It does it in the car, it does it off this battery, and it's done at home.
How old is it?
Nearly 3 years. It's done it probably since it was about 6 months old, but I just didn't fix it. Didn't take it in. Okay, so I'm going to plug it back in. What's it going to do this time? Saying 0, 0, which could be okay because I'm saying it's meant to be a minus 2. But the compressor's on. If I hit set to see what it is, that's minus 22. It's gone to freeze. Plus